Here we are, day one.
Day one, welcome.
Smygehuk.
Smygehuk.
The most southern part of Sweden, but you have to go out here because this is the most southern part of Sweden out here.
So we have to... Oh, can you smell the
Yeah,
smell?
this is smelling.
And
This is the most southern part of Sweden.
now you can't come anymore further south.
No.
This is
The
the
start.
end. This is the start.
Yeah.
Yes.
So look at this. Now we go 3,000 kilometers that way.
Yeah. Now it begins.
Yeah.
So come with us.
Let's start. But
So now, the first step on our journey then.
yeah.
This is the first step.
And we had to run a little bit because of a busload of tourists here. So, very nice. Excuse me. Yeah.
We really made it.
Yeah. So, Smygehuk. Here we can have the longitude and the latitude if we want it. Sweden's southern point.
Oh, here we can have the thumbnail.
I don't think so, because the sun is wrong. So absolutely not.
Absolutely. But I will take a picture.
Yeah. And I will start walking. So now let's head up. First step is to find Skåneleden. I just saw this one. The Birdway. If you fly, it's 1572 kilometers and almost 3,000 when you walk. So, but oh my god, I'm super excited. But now, let's find Skåneleden. And now, we left the neighborhood over there with all the houses. And now we're out for the yellow fields that Anna loves so much.
The canola fields. And you really match the fields.
I hope I do.
With your yellow shirt.
Yeah. So now we have relaxed a little bit. We were, oh, you're nervous. You're excited. It's hard to film. We want to see everything and then start to walk. So maybe we forgot a lot of things to say. But we always do, and we'll always do it. So, but now we have to big hike in front of us, 4 or 5 months, almost 3,000 kilometers.
What an adventure! It's a big one. So it's hard to take in how big this is.
Yeah, we cannot understand that yet, I think, either. But now it's nice to be on the way. Now we start walking, and then the pulse goes down, because in the beginning we were, oh my god, on the bus here, oh no, oh wow.
And there was so much people. I didn't expect that it'd be so much people there.
I felt that disturbed me.
Yeah.
Whole busload of pensioners, but you have to thumb up them as well. And we walk in this trail. It's a trail we find online. And what was the name?
Svecia Trail.
Yeah.
We're going to use that one. It's very the sections is it's good for us.
Yeah. So now we're just gonna walk on and find Skåneleden. That is our first destination of what we can find here. So now we're gonna walk on this big road and here around it till we find Skåneleden. So,
and the smell of these flowers is amazing. And now we have left the asphalt and walk on this dirt road. It feels heaven in my feet. And it was so windy, so I have to put up my hair. So this is how it looked like. And I think for the few more kilometers we're gonna walk like this.
And perfect conditions today, with nice heat, a little bit windy, but not too windy and not too hot today. So a great start of our lifetime journey.
You can't have better hiking weather than this. It's absolutely amazing. And the dirt road is done and we are in St. Isidore.
I hope I blend in.
Lunchtime.
Yeah. I think we only walked like 10-12 kilometers, but it's lunchtime. We ate a huge hotel breakfast, but for now we have to have the clock in us as well. So we small lunch. We have some crackers, bananas, coffee, and we were longing for apples as well. And of course we go for the brown bananas.
Hey, look at the place.
Yeah, here we can sit and relax and take off our shoes. And I don't think I need to take off my shoes for now, but it was nice to...
Oh, look at the car.
But it was nice to get your stuff together. You don't know where your things are and how to do it. So now it's great weather. Take off your shoes. This is what we're gonna do every day for 4 or 5 months. So yeah, we need to learn our new life. So that's why
I get the we don't have any routines.
No, we need new routines. So now, and coffee, of course. I forgot the coffee. But now I'm gonna hit my bag and see if I can find the apples. So, not the exciting dinner.
Oh, heaven!
And if you don't want your shoes, over there is a horseshoe. So, sum up
with a horseshoe.
This little segment with a horseshoe. And we're still walking to Skåneleden, but look at this beautiful scenery. It's majestic here. I really love it. And here we got Anna's yellow favorite flowers, a lot bushes. Walked for approximately 15 kilometers and now we got to Gröna Lund. And I thought that was in Stockholm, but we got lucky. We got Gröna Lund here as well. It's an amusement park up in Stockholm, and now here on the other side we're walking to Böringe. That's our route we have pitched out. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm a bit sweaty and I'm happy that it's a bit windy because it's hot.
Yeah, it's super hot today.
Hasn't been for the wind, I have been completely soaked in sweat.
Yeah.
So this is very nice.
We got lucky with the weather today, so... but
couldn't wish for more.
No, it's super hot, but we got the wind, so it's okay. And it's not blowing too much, because if you walk down here in Skåne, it's open fields, like you see around us sometimes. It's a lot of growing plants, what you call åker?
Canola fields.
Canola fields. But what's the name of åker in English?
Field.
Field, yeah, okay. No, so, but it feels good. 15 kilometers in and a super late start. We are early people, we like to walk early, but today we were have a transport from Malmö to Trelleborg to Smygehuk. So
A different day.
different days. We started walk 11:30 or something like that.
Beautiful old house. And now we're going down.
Yeah. First time we go under. And it's piping hot, my friend.
Yeah, it's hot, hot. And just asphalt. Not at the moment, but for so long.
I think maybe 80% of the walk today was asphalt. And I think we will walk for 1 hour, 1.5 hours more than we are finished for today. If we can find some water. Oh, I hit my head.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah, we need to find some water so we can clean up and get fresh.
We got company. They're curious.
Yeah. Not anymore. Yeah, a little bit.
I know they're coming. When we walk, they walk.
We thought we found the perfect spot. It's a little dam down there, but it's absolutely brown water. But benches, garbage, everything. So, we think it's Malmö's airport over here.
Yes, we have walked far.
Yeah.
We're back in Malmö.
Yeah. So, but unfortunately, no clean water, and we're a little bit smelly, so we need to clean ourselves up. So.
But not in that brown, sticky water.
No. And what's the name of those flowers growing in the water?
I don't know, but it's totally grown.
Yeah.
So it was a big dam for a long time ago, and now it's just a little water puddle.
Yeah. So
Muddy puddle.
yeah. So unfortunately, but we really like to stay up here. It would have been so nice.
Yeah,
But now,
these trees here.
yeah.
Because it's an airport, but it's not so much airplane.
No.
I don't think that would bother us at all.
No, me neither. And I think we have felt safe up there.
Yes.
Oh, a deer.
Oh.
I cannot see it in camera. Well, so we walk on and see if we can find some water or something else so we can pitch our tent and see how we can manage that today. So, or maybe ride the airplane to the final destination, but I don't think so. And we found a hotel on our way. We're outside the airport still, and we found a hotel, so it was bookable, so no tent today, so that feels nice.
That's a weird one.
Yeah,
Yes.
and no plans for this, but we are super happy. So Sturup Airport Hotel, here we come.
Oh, you put it down. Welcome home.
Thank you. I expected to sleep in the forest, but I'm here. A nice little room.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
But no water cooker.
So, this is a short one, guys. Here is the bathroom. Here is the bed. There is a TV. Here is one exhausted Anna. And I have to show you this.
Yeah, almost 28 kilometers for today. And why Anna is so short is because she is exhausted. When we came in here,
Done.
yeah, I hope it's the correct one because
I think so.
Yeah. But no water cooker. So we have to see what we can eat. And again, thank you for coming along on this beautiful day. Day 1 is done.
Yeah, and it was very odd with when we got to this area with
With the airport.
With the airport,
Yeah, we didn't
because
find anything, and it was
not allowed to camping here.
No. So, but hotel, so that's luxurious for us. So that feels nice. So now I'm gonna hit the shower and make laundry. So like a Camino day.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
like a Camino.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Fixing dinner. A loose oatmeal with milk or yogurt and Coke Zero. And bananas, clementine, apple. And here we got Anna.
I'm very, very happy that we are staying in the hotel today. I'm so exhausted in my body. I think we pushed it a little bit too far. And that is because of the airport. We didn't know where to pitch the tent. So I'm so happy that we just ramble on this hotel. So my feet hurt, my shoulders, my body. I'm
Shivering.
I'm shivering.
Yeah.
I'm
Like a little bit of a cold. So that's just because of the heat and a little bit excursion.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's no problem. It's okay.
No, I have this before.
You
I
get-
know.
yeah.
But
We always get a little bit scared, but it's hot. But we have drank on the way. We met some beautiful people, so we drank over 1.5 liter water.
I have drunk so much water today, so it's not that either. It's just that I'm tired. I pushed my body a little bit too far, but then I know haven't we come to this hotel? I know I pushed a few more kilometers. No, that's no problem. I always get like this when I getting home and I'm relaxing, and then everything comes over me. So yeah, this is one of many times on this Svecia hike that I'm shivering. This time in a hotel bed, next time in a tent.
Yeah,
So-
you can really see it in your eyes.
Can you?
I think you can see it in
yeah.
your eyes. Yeah.
So now I'm going to eat my oatmeal and gonna.
Now you sound happy. You were before you were happy, but you almost cry. You were happy, almost cry.
Yeah, I'm laughing at the same time
Yeah.
because I'm just so tired. I know tomorrow is everything fine. So again, thank you for today, and please thumb up and support our channel. And support our channel, you do that by watching it. So
Yeah. Keep on watching.
keep on watching.
Yeah, and thumb up Anna. She did good, guys. She really did good. Almost 30 kilometers, and we started super late and hit this accommodation at 6. If we haven't took this hotel, I think we maybe had to walk for 5-6 kilometers more.
That's 1 hour more, and I
Yeah.
have. I
Yeah,
know I
yeah.
have done it.
She did good. Thumb her up.
And he did good. Thumb him up.
No, don't thumb me up. Thumb her up.
No.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching in, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, you're lovely people. It's enough. Stop it.